Welcome to City Life. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. I have previously shared another video on making your own compost bin using a storage bin. I have 3 to 4 compost bins in my backyard, but they are not enough. So today I'm going to make one more compost bin using a trash can. So let's begin. It is very easy to make this compost bin if you have a rotary instrument. We are going to start with the bottom part first, as that is where we need proper drainage. When I made the compost bin last time, that bin had much smaller holes on sides. They are also good, but this time I'm making bigger holes since the container is quite deep and I won't be doing a lot of mixing. I allow the compost to take its time and don't even bother to make the fine pieces. If you can make smaller pieces of your green and brown waste, composting will happen faster. Coming on to the side, the holes are a little bit smaller, around half inch in diameter. On the bottom of the container, the holes were around 3/4 inch in diameter. The distance between any two holes is about 4 inch. If the bin that you're using is not strong, then making many big holes will weaken the compost bin. And when you try to mix the compost, the bin might break. So keep that in mind while making the holes. I'm done making holes from all sides, and this is how the compost bin looks now. This is perfectly functional compost bin and we can use it as it is, but we are going to add one more element to it. This is a tall bin and I want to create a door or opening at the bottom to easily take out the compost when it is ready. I'm going to make 3 slits, 2 on the sides and 1 at the bottom to create an opening for harvesting compost. Then I'm going to flex this flap both ways to create a distinct joint that is flexible. And that's it. We are done making our new compost bin. Now let's set up our new bin. I'm adding a thick layer of brown paper at the bottom of the bin that will stay moist and cool and attract earthworms. It will be a cozy, moist and dark bed for our garden helpers. It will also block the bottom opening for a few days until the bottom layer is composted and becomes sticky and compact. For the first few days, it will be like a temporary gate until the composting is done in that part, and it will prevent the rodents from entering inside the compost bin. The composting process starts at the bottom of the bin, and as the waste gets over at the bottom, earthworms start moving upward looking for more food. We can add more and more compost from the top and harvest the ready compost from the bottom. Also, as the composting happens, the pile keeps shrinking forever. The waste products keep breaking down into smaller particles continuously, and that is how you get finer compost. As you watched, I added a layer of brown waste first at the bottom. That layer had the shredded papers and dried leaves. Then I added a layer of green waste. The ratio of brown to green waste is approximately 7 parts of browns to 3 parts of greens. This prevents the compost from getting stinky. Then you add a top layer of some compost starter or compost. Only handful is enough, but I get this very cheap bag of compost that is organic but contains mainly small wood chips. Adding a layer of about 3 inches at the top of the compost prevents flies developing in these beans. I keep one extra bin of browns near my compost bin, and whenever I add greens to the compost, I always top it up with the brown. If I don't have enough browns, that happens very often, I just add some mulch. You can also keep a bowl near this opening to collect the extra water that drains down from this bin when you water your bin. That water is like liquid fertilizer. And that's it for now. I hope you like this video. A big thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel Seed to Life and share my videos. Media links are posted in the description. See you again. Bye.